Hey you guys, welcome back to Go Bushcraft. Today we're going to be making some kicking the craft chili. Let's get started.
That is very, very good. Oh my gosh. And the Doritos give it that nice cheesy flavor along with a little bit of crunch. There you guys have it. Kicking the craft chili. I'll have the recipe down in my description. If you guys like it, hey, give me a thumbs up to the video, leave a comment, and let me know what y'all think about my chili recipe. But until next time, guys, get outdoors and have your own adventure. See you guys.